Today we're doing Goya Chanpuru. So I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And other than that, enjoy the video. Ingredients you need are Goya Chanpuru sauce, which you don't really actually need this, but got this just for the taste. A Goya fruit. Actually, it's a vegetable. 3 tomago, which are eggs. I'm using tofu instead. 150 grams of tofu. Rice, which I just made in the rice cooker, and it's absolutely delicious. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the tofu and dry it out a bit, okay? Because it's still really, really moist. Smaller pieces. And I'm just going to let it dry. Alright, because it's actually really, really moist. This vegetable is actually quite bitter. So, what you're gonna do... cut the other end off. Guys, look at that. Look at these seeds. I hope you can eat them. But basically, what you gotta do... you gotta take out all the insides out, all the strings, all the seeds, and take it out of there. Alright? See that? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this tofu in here. So when the fruit's all, vegetables all soft, you can start mixing it up with the sauce, with the tofu, and with the eggs. Sauce from a packet, but you can equally make it by yourself. It's not that hard. I'm just saying that, but in reality, I don't know how to make it. So add the tofu. At this point, you also add like the meat and stuff like that, but because this is a vegetarian one, you'll need 2 or 3 eggs, but because it's a slightly bigger dish I'm making, I'm going to add 3. I want to put some salt in this. Quite a bit of salt, right? Garlic is good. It's good for you. Just a dab. You gotta keep mixing, keep mixing. I think this is all done. Look at that. My goodness, it only took us half an hour. So this rice is still warm, and let's fog up the lens. No, it's not working. So this rice is still warm, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on a plate and taste test this Goya Chanpuru. Let's see how it goes. So I made this Goya Chanpuru and it looks absolutely delicious, and I'm dying just to like dig into it. So without further ado, let's get in. Let's see some of this Goya. Guys, this is so delicious. Like, the Goya fruit is very, very bitter naturally, but like, oh yeah, it's got a bit of a bitter aftertaste. Like, This is where it's at, guys. Oh my goodness. So, I have to say, the Okinawans make a delicious meal. Now, I don't think you usually eat it with rice, but I was really hungry, so I was just like, as well use it with rice. Might as well make it with rice. So, this is the bomb. If you like this video, give me a comment down below and tell me what you'd like to see me cooking next. Also, give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more. And as always, stay classy, guys. See ya.